Hi, I'm Mike, and this is Ruth, and we are sitting at our new mess, which is a house we purchased here in Galveston. We have purchased and renovated 25 houses, so this will be number 26. We've been doing this for the last 10 years, so we don't know everything about it, but we know a lot about them. And there's always more than one way to skin a cat, so there's more than one way to do a renovation. To give you a little background on Ruth and I am a pharmacist by trade, and for the last 10 years we've been flipping houses for fun, if you can call this fun. Ruth was a music teacher, and she's retired now, and so Ruth does the design on the houses and picks all the paint colors and all that kind of stuff. I'm not allowed to do any of that because if I did, everything would be brown. So let's go for a look and kind of show you what we've purchased. All right, so this is the marvelous mess that we bought. We've got a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square foot with a 3-car garage, oversized 3-car garage. And it's kind of a mess, but we're gonna make it beautiful. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, we're inside the house now, and you can see it's not bad. It's probably the best looking house that we've ever bought out of the 25 that we did before that. We usually don't buy houses that anybody can even live in. They've always been vacant for about 25 years, and they were pack houses and things like that. But as long as they've got good bones, we can make them beautiful again. We're at the front door, and you'll notice here you've got your living room, dining room, and then behind this is the kitchen. And our initial thoughts are that we're going to take this wall out and open this space up for the kitchen, put an island right in there where the wall is, and that will make this area nice and wide and open. So, living room, kitchen, dining room. Here's an example of what we're looking at. This kitchen, there's 6 tiles right there. Maybe you can see these. They look just a little bit different coloration, and the floor sinks 2 inches right here. So what that tells me is that we probably got a rotted beam down there, and this is pier and beam. So we'll have to take all of this out and then raise it up and put a couple new beams in there probably and some new piers.
This is the hallway that goes to all the bedrooms, all 3 of the 4. And in this hallway, we were going to take out this wall, but we decided this would be a really great place to put a laundry center. So we'll take out this one wall here and put a washer and dryer right here. And up here are 2 bedrooms. These 2 bedrooms are going to stay the same. Bedroom 1. And then this is bedroom number 2. And it will stay the same. Of course, we'll change the walls and our flooring and all that. We do think there are hardwoods under the carpet, so we'll be taking the carpet up. And there's a bathroom in here. We're going to, I know the beautiful blue vintage tile is kind of all the rage, but it just can't stay because this bathroom, functionally, it just doesn't work. So this cabinet's coming out, all of this is coming out. I'm turning the toilet this way, or the bathtub. This is a closet from another bedroom. We're gonna take this out and use it for the vanity so that all of this will be open and we'll have a lot more space in the bathroom. Be much more functional. This is the 3rd bedroom, and this is the bedroom where we're taking the closet space here, and we're going to put a wall here and dedicate that to the bathroom. And this is where the new vanity in the bathroom will go, so it'll make it much more functional. We'll put another closet somewhere in this room. We haven't made up our minds yet. In the kitchen, we'll probably leave the refrigerator where it is, all new cabinets, of course. We're going to put new stove, dishwasher. This door is coming out, and this will be a wall where we can add a pantry. And then if you come around here into the dining room, where this window is, will be the back door that goes out to the patio. So the back door will be here instead of in the kitchen. On the opposite wall, we'll add a door on this wall that will go to the garage. Right now, it's coming from here. You have to come from the garage through this door. We're gonna put a wall here, and we're gonna make all of this part of the master bath, which is right in here. In the master bath, we're gonna take out some of this wall. We're gonna put in a new shower, new bathtub, new vanity, and you'll see what that looks like later. We're gonna put a closet, a his and hers closet, on each side of this hallway here. So that's gonna be nice. And then the rest of the bedroom will be the same, except for right here, this closet. It's gonna still be a closet, but you'll enter that from the bathroom instead. So you'll have more wall space for this bedroom.
Before you get to the garage, we've got this area right here. And what we're gonna be doing is we'll close this door off here, put a new door here where the dining room is, and then we'll put an elevated floor and a wall here, and we're gonna turn this small space right here into the laundry room. So that'll be kind of nice. And then over here, we have this massive 2-car oversized garage. It's great. I would love to live here and have this space. So looks like we won't be making too many changes in here. Of course, when we get all our new plumbing, electric, HVAC, we'll have them put 3 or 4 lights out here and the electrical outlets for the garage door openers. Well guys, as you can see, today is roof day. The roofers beat me here and they've almost got the whole roof tore off. And gosh, it's not even like 9 o'clock in the morning. As far as roofs go and projects like this, there are some things that you can do yourself and some things that it really, just doesn't pay to do yourself. And roofing is one of those. These guys will come in and in one day, they will have this entire job completely done. And you just got to get it done quickly. Okay, as you can see here, they're putting on the blue felt now. And yes, that is felt. When I was growing up, felt was always black, but now I guess you can get about any color that you want. Once they get the felt completed, then they'll start with the shingles. Okay, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we've moved on to the next stage. They're putting down the blue underlayment, which is going to help with waterproofing. And let's get around here to the other side. Let's see this part here that they're putting on. And then after that, we'll see what happens. So in summary, we are not YouTubers and we are definitely technically challenged. I don't know how to do any of that kind of stuff, but we're living and learning. We don't know how to, talk on camera and be real cutesy and all that kind of stuff. But
Speak for yourself, I can be cute.
I know. So what we do know though, we know how to fix old houses. And if you want to learn how to fix old houses, and if that interests you, our channel is probably going to be something you like. And also, I kind of sometimes want to impart wisdom, so I will give you tips of the day and little bits, tidbits of wisdom. You know, if I can learn from somebody else's mistakes and I don't have to make those mistakes, I always take that advice. And believe me, we have made about every mistake that you could make. And so through that, we've learned a few things. So it's going to be a long project. We figure this is probably going to take us 6 months to do because it's a complete gut. New HVAC, new electric, new plumbing, new tile, new everything. That's about it. What do you got?
Well, there's only one thing I know for sure, maybe two. One thing is the plans will come and plans will go. They will definitely change through the project. And the second thing is someone will most likely be hurt in the making of this project.
Who is that someone?
Most likely him, because he doesn't know his limits.
So if you want to learn about that kind of stuff, come back and see our videos. They're going to be coming out. And like I said, it's going to take 4 to 6 months at least to do this project. And this is what I always hear people say, and now it's going to come out of my mouth. So be sure to like and subscribe. Is that all there was to that?
Like, comment,
and subscribe to our channel. See, spit it out. I got it. All right. Thanks, guys.